The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is gearing up to be the most powerful, most intelligent smartwatch Apple has ever released. If the leaks and reports are true, this rugged wearable is getting a serious overhaul, with brand new health sensors, full 5G connectivity, and possibly a battery life that will redefine what a smartwatch can offer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're going to break down all the juicy leaks, insider claims, and rumored upgrades for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 launching in 2025. Whether you're a hardcore athlete, outdoor explorer, or just a tech enthusiast, what we're about to reveal might just blow your mind. Apple has been tight-lipped as usual, but multiple credible sources, including Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo, have dropped hints. Here's a summary of what's been leaked. New health tracking sensors, blood pressure, non-invasive glucose monitoring. Satellite connectivity for emergencies. Native 5G support. Micro-LED display. Titanium 2.0 chassis. Faster S9X chip. 112 exclusive features. Longer battery life, possibly 72 plus hours. New action-oriented watch bands and modular design options. The Ultra 3 is expected to leap forward in terms of health tracking. Reports point to non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, a holy grail feature for diabetics and fitness-focused users alike. Apple has supposedly made massive progress using optical spectroscopy to measure glucose levels directly through the skin. Another sensor rumored to be included is blood pressure monitoring, which would make the Apple Watch Ultra 3 the first mainstream watch with continuous, cuffless blood pressure detection. If this works as expected, users could receive alerts for hypertension or heart irregularities in real time. Apple is also refining its sleep apnea detection algorithm with the help of respiratory sensors and machine learning through watchOS 12. Combined, these upgrades put the Ultra 3 far ahead of Garmin, Samsung, and Fitbit in health tracking. The biggest connectivity upgrade? Full 5G support. The Ultra 3 might be the first Apple Watch to include a dedicated 5G modem, allowing it to stream, update, call, and message without needing an iPhone nearby, even in high-bandwidth environments. Pair that with the upgraded Satellite Emergency SOS system, first introduced on iPhones, and you've got a true standalone device. Imagine being on a mountain or deep trail and still being able to contact emergency services with a double press of the side button. Some insiders suggest Apple is also working on peer-to-peer Apple Watch messaging over satellite, meaning you can communicate with other Ultra 3 users directly, even off-grid. That's perfect for hikers, climbers, and remote area explorers. The Ultra 2 already improved battery life compared to standard Apple Watches, but the Ultra may break a new barrier. 72 plus hours on a single charge in low-power mode. Apple has reportedly redesigned its internal component layout and is using a more efficient S9X chip, possibly built on a 3nm process, which will significantly reduce power consumption. Add in solar assist charging bands, a potential accessory leak, and the watch could become the longest-lasting Apple wearable ever. Some rumors even mention a magnetic battery attachment system, similar to MagSafe, for quick juice-ups during adventures. One of the biggest physical changes: the switch from OLED to micro-LED.